Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host Vanx, and in today's video we'll be taking the review of a brand new second iPhone SE. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, and then let's jump into the video. Okay, so it has been almost 4 years since the release of the first iPhone SE in 2016, and today in 2020 we have the second iPhone SE with a lot of good features and the body from an iPhone 8. Starting with the display, an iPhone SE comes with a 4.7-inch IPS liquid crystal display with the resolution of 750 times 1334 pixels and the density pixels of 326, and it has got a 65.4% screen to body ratio. iPhone SE's body has got an aluminium body frame and the glass on the front and the back of it, and it supports water resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. iPhone SE price starts from $399 and it comes with 3 colors: white, red and black, and all has got an outdated black bezels. That's kind of disappointing. So now let's talk about the camera, and soon we'll talk about the battery. An iPhone SE's main camera comes with 12 megapixel and an LED flash on it with no portrait mode. This main camera can shoot up to 4K videos with 60 frames per second. And now when it comes to a selfie camera, iPhone SE has got a 7 megapixel selfie camera which has got features like face detection, HDR and panorama. This selfie camera can shoot up to 1080p videos with 30 frames per second. So when it comes to performance, this iPhone comes with iOS 13, 3GB of RAM and internal storage of 64GB up to 256GB, and Apple A13 Bionic chip that is the same from an iPhone 11. So that sounds good. So when it comes to the body, iPhone SE at the bottom has got a USB 2.0 loudspeaker and no 3.5mm earphone jack, and on the front we have got a Touch ID and huge black bezels. At the back of the phone, an Apple logo has been shifted to the center. And when it comes to battery, an iPhone SE comes with a non-removable 1821 mAh battery that supports fast charging of 18 watts that goes up to 50% in 30 minutes as advertised. And the great feature about this iPhone SE is that it supports wireless charging, so that sounds good. And that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Catch up in the next one. Peace.